pool, now empty. But not before this bunch makes a splash. The second-year Iowa Western swim team dove into nationals, come away with third-place finishes on both the men's and women's side.
I don't think I've been around a group that has been that excited for a third place, only because it's like the start of something big.
Surprised at some of their individual medalists.
Yeah, I knew there would be like close races, but I mean, they surprised me, they surprised themselves, I think, and they surprised everybody there.
It's very amazing for my team and for me because I don't have any idea what is the swimming level here. Now I'm in the history of Iowa Western. That's very nice.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's my first national title, individual, and excited.
We definitely made some noise at nationals. Everybody was kind of turning their heads. A lot of talk about Iowa Western there, which is a good thing. It was all good things.
And the Reivers just getting started. The second-year Iowa Western swim team makes its mark on school history. Iowa Western continues to make a splash in the pool.